and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to download the CBS Sports app on an iPhone. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by opening up the App Store. Once it's open, it should take you to the search page. If you're not there, look on the bottom right-hand corner. Do you see where it says search? Tap on that and it should take you to this page. Once you're here, tap in this search field. So if I click right there, I'll be able to search for CBS Sports, which is the second option right there. And this comes up CBS Sports. So when I tap on it, it will take me to this page. Once you're here, click over here where it says get. Then it will ask you to confirm that you want to download the app. Mine looks like this, but yours might look slightly different. So just follow whatever instruction that they give you. All right, I've confirmed it and it's starting to download. As it's downloading, it will show you how much progress he has made, which is this. When this reaches all the way around, that means the app has downloaded. And once it downloads, it will show this text right here where it says open. And when you tap on it, that means you have successfully downloaded the app. And there you go. That's how you can download the CBS Sports app. If you have any other questions or comments, please make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And if you thought the video was helpful, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.